baby dolls, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how I style my synthetic wig after reviving the wig back to life. So if you ladies want to see me style this wig, continue watching. As you see here, the wig is completely dry. I air dried it all through the night, so I'm just going to show you guys what it looked like after it drying. So it looks very soft. I'm just finger combing it. I didn't brush it out or anything. It's very soft. So yeah, it's looking pretty good. Now I will be curling my hair, and the thing that I use with curling my hair, I use hair rollers or rods, whatever you want to call it. I bought them in different shapes, some larges, some medium sized ones, and then I got some duck clips to keep the rollers in place, and I'll show you guys how I do that. So here I have a wig stand and a regular foam head, and I'm just gonna put it on the table, adjust it on the table so the wig can stand up. I purchased these two from the beauty supply, my local beauty supply store, so just like that. Now that I have everything adjusted, I'm just going to place the wig on the wig head and just place it on neatly. One thing you want to do before starting to style the wig is you want to brush it and comb everything out. As you can see, the wig is like really soft from me shampooing and conditioning the wig. So yeah. Also, this wig was originally long. I cut it into a bob. The layers that you see in it already came in the wig, so that was already there. So all I did was cut the wig into a short bob. And here I'm just cutting off some little hair, the little ends that came out during me washing it. So now that I have everything brushed and combed out, I'm just taking a piece of the hair. Now you would need some flat irons. What I do is I just put a great amount of heat on the hair, and then I place on the rollers. This helps, the heat helps for the curls to stay. Now the look that I'm trying to give is like very like bouncy, nice curls, and I feel like if I was just to curl it with the flat irons alone by itself, I wouldn't get the look that I desire. So that's the reason why I'm using the rollers. Also, when you use rollers on synthetic hair, it lasts longer. The curls last a very long time. So yes, I would suggest using rollers. The way that I'm doing it, your curls would last way longer than just using flat irons to curl your hair by itself. So yeah. So here I'm just going to continue curling the wig. So as you can see, the way I'm curling the wig, I'm kind of rolling it back, not forward, if that makes sense. I kind of want my curls to flow backwards. I don't know if I'm going to be able to explain how I'm curling the wig, but as you can see here, I'm just curling the hair back. some parts I had to use the hair clips to curl the hair under because, like I said, in this wig it does have some short layers, and the rollers that I had was too big to curl the hair with, so I had to use the hair clips to curl some areas. So this is the final result of me curling, rolling the hair. So this is what it looked like. Your hair may not come out perfect. The rollers may look a little sloppy. Girl, that is okay. So now I'm back to place it on my head and see what the results look like. So here I'm just placing my Got2b glue. Now y'all, what I should have did was take out the rollers on the wig head, not on my head, but that's okay. I was kind of in a rush. I'm just going to take all the rollers out on my head now. So for the rest of the video, I'm just going to be gelling down my wig down, gluing it down, making baby hairs to make everything look a lot better. I'm kind of going to be going all over the place. I'm going to be doing 5 things at once: gelling my baby hairs down and finger combing the hairs into place. So just give me time. I'm trying to get a feel for everything. I did notice that one side was kind of uneven, one was shorter than the other, so I'm just going to go over here and just cut some layers off of the wig so both sides can be even. Now I'm not going to cut it in big chunks, meaning like blunt cutly. I'm just going to cut it downward so it doesn't look like Yes, it's looking so much better. I kind of placed a little piece of hair behind the ear. So yeah, it looks cute. The length and curls are giving me like Marilyn Monroe, but in red. I hope you guys enjoyed me doing this hair, reviving it, giving it back its life, and styling it. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know, please. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you learned a little something. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.